Good morning, students. This is Latif sir. I'm the chemistry teacher of Gurukul Global School, and this is the first chemistry class of this session. And today I'm going to start the chapter one of class 6th chemistry. The topic is Introduction to Chemistry. In this chapter, we will study about what is chemistry, importance of chemistry, and the role of different scientists in chemistry. So first you have to know what is chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science. Okay, and chemistry is concerned with everything around us and in us. The air we breathe, clothes we wear, food we eat, water we drink, medicine we take, our bag, books, metabolic processes such as digestion, photosynthesis, respiration, all have direct connection with chemistry. So chemistry is one of the most important branches of science. You know, everything on the earth is made up of matter. Everything on the earth is made up of matter, and matter is made up of very small particles which are known as atoms. Basically, all the stuff that makes up or makes up and basically all the stuff that makes up our world and things happening around us are somehow related to chemistry. So the actual definition of chemistry is the branch of science. Chemistry is the branch of science concerned with the substances of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties, and the reaction and the use of such reactions to form new substances. Okay, this is the actual definition of chemistry. Now see development of chemistry and a historical perspective. Chemistry has existed since ancient time, and the term chemist is originated from the word alchemy. Alchemy means the art of transmuting metals. Alchemy means art of transmuting metal. The term alchemy, which itself had a root in the Greek word chemia. Chemia means the art of transmuting metals. Okay. Alchemy is the medieval forerunner of chemistry concerned with the transmutation of matter. And who was and the person who practiced alchemy was known as an alchemist. Okay. So an alchemist was a person who practiced alchemy. Now see what how the term chemistry came. Okay. An alchemist who was called who was also called a chemist, and later the suffix ry was added to describe the art of chemist as chemistry. An alchemist who was also called a chemist, and later the suffix ry was added to describe the art of chemistry as art of chemist as chemistry. The art of alchemy first started with the ultimate goal of converting elements into golds using philosopher's stone. What is philosopher's stone? A magical substance supposed to have the spiritual capability to change any metals into golds or silver, and according to some, to cure all diseases and prolong life indefinitely. Alchemists were trying to discover the elixir of eternal life that would enable people to live longer. Although they could not succeed in this, they were successful to some extent in developing processes to extract metal and prepare alloy, which proved to be of great use. And they also use secret codes and symbols which later translated into the modern representation of element and compounds by symbol and formula. Now see, first Aristotle, he was given a basic chemical hypothesis. So who was Aristotle? Aristotle was a Greek philosopher, and he stated that air, fire, earth, and water, air, fire, earth, and water were the fundamental element from which everything is formed as a combination. And it is believed that the development of early scientific method was started by Javid ibn Hayyan in the 9th century, and he was a Persian or an Arab chemist and also known as the father of early chemists. So the father of early chemist was Javid ibn Hayyan. Okay, and Javid ibn Hayyan introduced a systematic and experimental approach to scientific study. And the modern chemistry dates back to the 17th century and credited to Robert Boyle. And Robert Boyle, who developed the scientific method further, and Robert Boyle also regarded as the father of modern chemistry. Since then, chemistry has emerged very strongly in all aspects of our life. Alchemy was prevalent in ancient Egypt and China, from where it spread subsequently in Europe. In ancient India, alchemy was in practice mostly as a system of medicine and called Ayurveda. Okay. And the existence of there is some proof of existence of idea of chemistry in ancient India. Okay, you can see the 7.2-meter tall iron pillar that stands near Qutub Minar in Delhi, and it was constructed in 400 AD during the reign of Chandragupta II. Okay, and it has remained as smooth and shining over 1600 years. Normally, a piece of iron become rusted. You know that. Normally, a piece of iron become rusted when exposed to air and moisture. But but the modern studies reveal that this pillar is made up of pure wrought iron with high content of phosphorus and low content of carbon and sulfur and manganese. Okay, so this proved that in the ancient India there was some uh, alchemist. Okay, and they use the concept of chemistry and use this pillar. They made this pillar using the concept of chemistry. Fermenting food, drink, extracting metal from their oats, manufacturing glass and soap, and extracting plant components for medicinal purposes record the knowledge of chemistry through different eras. Okay, in next video I'll discuss about notable chemist and scientist. Thank you, students.